Hello everyone, my name is Bilal Saleem and I'm a community expert in Dubai, helping buyers to buy their dream homes and sellers to sell their property on a good price. Either you are an end user, either you are investors planning to buy an Arabian Ranches 3 in this specific cluster May, I am planning to start an in-depth knowledge of all these clusters of Arabian Ranches 3 and other communities of Emaar like Valley, Emaar South, Aldar communities, the Mac communities and Dubai properties communities. You can see on this all these videos in my channel and it can help you to find or buy a good specific unit for investments or for end users. So if you are an end user or if you are investors or planning to buy in Arabian Ranches 3 this specific cluster, so make sure to subscribe my channel for more updated videos. In this video I can explain you the location, exactly the specific cluster, what are the amenities over there, what are the plot size, built up area, the current prices, a suggestion for the sellers, they are going to keep it, hold it, or they are going to live by themselves, what are the rentals in future, what are the things you can find. You can see all this in this video. If you're an end user and planning to buy in Arabian Ranches 3, so first of all you know about the location of this community. Community is ideally located on Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan Al Nahyan Street D54 and Emirates Road E311. The community is sandwiched between these major two highways. If you can see on your screen, Arabian Ranches 3 having a total 16 clusters: Sun, Joy, Spring, Ruba, Bliss, June, Kaya, Alisab, June, Raya, Ania 2. So basically I am planning to start with the last cluster, which is called May. There is also an entrance with this cluster, and if you can see, you can find a retail, you can find a mosque, you can find a school over there. Already Arabian Ranches 3 Souk is operational right now at the moment. And if we see the topologies of this cluster, having a 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, 206 townhouses are for 3 bedrooms and 96 townhouses are 4 bedroom. And if you can see the pattern of Emaar gives you a 4plex, 6plex and 8plex in every cluster of Arabian Ranches 3. 4plex mean middle units are the 3 bedroom and the corner units are the 4 bedroom in a row, if you can see on this specific clusters. So if you are an end user and if you can see the location, 5 minutes from Global Village, 10 minutes from Dubai Polo and Exterior Club, 20 minutes from downtown Dubai and 20 minutes from Dubai International Airport. So we just jump into this specific cluster. What you can get in this specific cluster, the best thing of Emaar is that Emaar gives you like a clubhouse and gym, swimming pool, kids pool, like sitting area, play area and mosque. Every clusters have their own amenities. And what are the types you can get in this specific cluster? You can get Aria and Iris. These are the two major facade like elevations of 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses you can get. Here you can see 60-70% completion is done on your screen. This is the aerial view of this specific cluster May. First of all, we have to see the prices of 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, what the sellers are demanding right now at the moment in Arabian Ranches 3. You can see on your screen 2.7 million for 3 bedroom, 2.9 million for 3 bedroom, 2.8 million for 3 bedroom, 2.9 million for 3 bedroom, 3 million for 3 bedroom. And if you see the 4 bedroom right now at the moment, 4 bedroom maximum they are asking for I think 4.5 million, some are asking 4.1 million. So basically it depends upon their OP prices and depend upon their location of that specific like unit, what they have nearby amenities, nearby gym, pool and park. If you are the end user or if you are investors and planning to buy in this specific cluster, how much cash flow is required you to buy in May? So for 3 bedroom townhouse, you can see on your screen, you need maximum for, let's suppose I can give you the case study, like if the unit's having a OP price of 2.475 and you're gonna sell that property in 2.7 million, right now 70% is done, and the amount right now you have to pay to the seller is 1.957, and these are the extra charges you have to pay. Like right now, if you have a cash flow of 2.127 million, you can get a 3 bedroom townhouse in Arabian Ranches 3, and rest 30% you have to pay to Emaar. This is the cash flow you need to required to land up in Arabian Ranches 3. So if you can see the 4 bedroom, the original price of 4 bedroom is 3.3, the selling price is 3.75, already 70% is paid. So the cash flow required 2.741 million to the seller, and if you can see 2.975, this 2.975 is the amount required you to find a best possible unit. If you can find a unit in 3.75, so this amount is required 2.975 for you to buy a 4 bedroom townhouse in May Arabian Ranches 3. Let's jump into the latest transaction right now at the moment. So if you are the investors or if you are the sellers right now at the moment and planning to sell your property on a market price, you can see the transaction right now at the moment. So last 1 year, May, having a 49 transaction, and if you see the median price right now, 1650 per square feet price is for the median price, and 2.8 million is the median price for Arabian Ranches 3 May. So 2.575, the latest transaction happened on 30th of April, 2.575, and another transaction 2.691, another transaction of 4 bedroom 3.75, another transaction of 3 bedroom 2.75, another transaction is 2.75. So what are the suggestions for the end user and investors? If you're investors right now, if you can get a good unit like OP plus 15%, you're gonna buy under 2.8, 2.7 million. This is the best buying for you. And if you are the sellers and planning to sell your property on a market price, if you're planning to hold your unit till the handover, that's a good option for you. This is my suggestion for you. If you have a cash in your account, so you are going to pay the remaining installment to Emaar, only 30% is left. So maximum, you can get the maximum capital appreciation at the time of handover. So if you're planning to buy and sell your dream home in Arabian Ranches 3, make sure to subscribe my channel for more updated videos. In upcoming videos, I can show you the actual site of Arabian Ranches 3. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.